教宗良14世到訪喀麥隆之行即將結束，教宗私下參訪咗位於杜阿拉市嘅天主教聖保祿醫院。該醫療中心由巴薩社區嘅總教區管理，主要為婦女、兒童及弱勢社群服務。教宗良14世同醫院院長一同參觀部分病房，喺小聖堂逗留咗一段時間，並熱情咁向患者致意。教宗向患者同護理人員致以慰問，並降福照護者嘅日常工作。
To greet all of you, to show you my prayers, to offer you the Lord's blessing as you deal with suffering, with sickness, accompanying others, and in a special way for all the sisters and all those who work in this hospital to offer the Lord's grace, strength, perseverance, and consolation to all of you.
呢次參訪以教宗向幾位患者降福以及致意作結，過程中洋溢住簡樸與憐憫之情。